go.
All through middle school I was a misfit, trying to fit in any boy's attention, almost good enough for me. Wanting to have the hard girl image and maintain virginity, I desired a friend, none seemed interested unless I disposed of my identity, so I did. Well, partially. Pretty soon the whole school spread truths and lies about failure me. I denied the lies and laughed off the truths till it got progressively repressive. Me for me, let's just say I felt partially invisible and desperate to be fully unseen. I would never look people in the eyes or talk. I even changed the way I walked, the way I laughed. I would forget how to breathe in panic if spoken to for fear I might mess up one more time. Then I moved 8 hours away from everything familiar. The next visit, I watched my grandmother suffer and die. I have struggled with depression and the inability to speak of it, but anyways, 1. Maria means wished for a child. Mama dreamed of having children from a young age. Then when I was born, finally they told her on a scale from 1 to 10. 10 being healthy, 0 being dead, I was a 1. 2, Maria means rebellion. 2 and 3, Maria means sea of sorrow. I was suicidal for a while. I've been to rock bottom. Believe me, I gave up on believing in joy. My pride like bonds on my wrists. My anger like shackles chained to my feet. My insecurity like a gag suffocating my very being. My depression like weights dragging me to the ocean floor. Maria, part 1. But my lifeguard walks on water. Thank God for 70 times 70th chances, no matter how many boys I allowed to coupon, Payless, Kroger free, sample my heart, Walmart, Wallflower. They searched me out, plucking every petal. I love her not. She loves me. The little rascals made a game of making quick trips with mixed up stories on paper and texts. Hate made me bittersweet, lies made me friendless, so I prayed the Fresh Prince would find my slipper out of thin air, not make up a slip up, try to paint me in makeup, not ask me to slip out of my clothes, not just this one time, no, because at last I see the light revealing everything I've looked for all my life. Flynn Rider has nothing on him. Was it paying for a trip to the moon? I was shooting for the stars. Jesus intervened him up on a tree, said, here's heaven, free of charge. Maria, part 1. Joy being parts 2, 3, not the end. So you see, my name is not pride, anger, depression, oppression, rebellion. He took my name tag from me and with his own perfect blood renamed me forgiven, fulfilled, free.